Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, August the 21st, 2021. We have here in this additional six extra Sudokus. The first one is a ladder Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, 3 star Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars, a binary puzzle, and a tectonic with 1 star. So total of six extra puzzles or Sudokus. But first, I will solve this 3 star Sudoku. I will do three of them today. A 3 stars, a tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I do the rest of the puzzles in this additional. But first we will solve this baby number 3276. Yes, before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted 25 as usual. Yes, correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. The 7 in the last column. The 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there in this big square, yes. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright, then I cannot continue with the 4. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. Well, one of these 3 boxes is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5. It could be here, it could be there. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 7 and the 8 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Oh. I bumped the camera. Apologies. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That will be difficult. Oh, again. Apologies. I have a tripod. It's not so stable. Well, and now Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8. Well, now it's stable, I think. Apologies. 8 and a 6 in the last row. In the last row. So no 8 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6. We have a 6 here. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Alright, two numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers 2. 1, 2. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 9. That means the other two numbers in the last row are the numbers 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those. Here pair, there pair. And this is the last pair in this big square. 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. Alright. A lot of pairs. Let me think. 2, 1, 1. 6. 5, 3. I'm thinking 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Alright. Then, yeah. 7, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9. 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 in this second row. So no 7 and an 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. One box left in this column for the number 9. Alright. Alright. I'm thinking. 4. 3, yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the first row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Alright. 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the first row. 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in the second row. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Alright. Then. Think. Yeah. Yeah. 6. 1. Yeah. 1. And 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in the middle column, so no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 6 as a pair goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah, as a pair, 7 and the 6, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. 1. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see a 1 no 1 in these 3 boxes. There, 1 no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have an 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 1 number left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 9 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 9 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So now we have 1 number left in this column. The 2 is missing. The 2 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, can I count? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Yeah. 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers. No, 2 numbers are missing in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. How about those 3 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 could be everywhere. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. Well, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. And the 9 could be everywhere. Okay. So here, 7 and a 6, we have a pair in this column. So 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. 9 and 5. And here also 9 and a 5. So we have a pair here. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing. No, we have a 1. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Well, here cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. The 3, 4, 5 we have. 6 is missing. 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 goes together with the 3. Alright. So 6 and the 3, 9 and 5. So this place should be for the 8. Alright. Yeah. The 9 and the 5, of course. 9 and the 5. Yeah, we have a pair, 9 and 5. 9 and the 5. Okay. Okay. Yeah, also 9 and a 5 in this row. 9 and 5. Look, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. We had a pair here, 9 and a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 9. And in this big square, 1 box left for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Alright. 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 Overlooked. 6 and a 5. We already have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Okay, now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. Overlooked. So now one box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. We see a 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this column. First column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square. 1 is missing. 2 and a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and an 8 is missing. 1 and an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, because the 3 stars, I need, for the 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I solved this in 80 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku or puzzle. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.